Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject chemistry, class 11th, chapter 3. Today we will see group wise electronic configuration. So see from the left hand side, elements in the same vertical column or group have similar valence cell electronic configuration. There are 18 columns or groups in modern periodic table, and the elements which are present in a group have same number of electrons in the outermost orbitals and similar properties, and have similar valency cell electronic configuration. For example, group 1 elements, which is also called alkali metals, means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, as you can see in the table, all have ns1 valence cell electronic configuration as shown below in the table. Atomic number of lithium, which is a metal, its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1, you can see in the table. Or its condensed electronic configuration is given to you. Helium cover 1s2 and 2s1 is given to you. Similarly for sodium, atomic number 11 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, these are orbitals, and the numbers written above the orbitals are the number of electrons. So these elements are belongs to group 1, and their atomic number is also given to you: 3, 11, 19, 37, 55 and 87. So now we will move forward. Theoretical foundation. So as you all know, the theoretical foundation for the periodic classification is the atomic number. The elements in a vertical column of the periodic table constitute a group. So these are very elementary information. Please try to understand carefully. Vertical columns means khade mein. There are 18 groups. You can see the periodic table as well. I have already told you for this chapter, if you want to understand properly, you should have a periodic table on your left hand side, and on the right hand side you should go through the text. So a group of a periodic table or family, it is also called family, and exhibit similar chemical behavior, सेम रासायनिक व्यवहार करते हैं, सेम टाइप की केमिकल रिएक्शन देते हैं. This similarity arises because of the elements have the same number and the same distribution of electron in their outermost orbital. So we can classify the element into 4 blocks with, for example, S block, this is also called sharp block, P block, principal block, D block, diffused block, and F means fundamental block. Depending on the type of atomic orbitals that are being filled with electrons, यदि लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन s ऑर्बिटल में जा रहा है तो s ब्लॉक में जाएगा वो एलिमेंट. यदि लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन p ब्लॉक में जा रहा है, p ऑर्बिटल में जा रहा है तो p ब्लॉक में जाएगा. यदि लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन d ऑर्बिटल में फेल हो रहा है as per Abbaugh rule, Horn-Pauli rules, then it will go into d blocks, and if last electron is going to f block, f orbital, then it is called f block element. We notice two exceptions to this categorization. strictly helium belongs to the S block, but its position is in the P block along with the group element is justified because it has completely filled valence shell 1s2 and as a result exhibit property characteristic of noble gas. It do not react with other element. The other exception is hydrogen. It has only one s electron and hence can be placed in group 1 alkali metal, but it also can gain an electron to achieve a noble gas arrangement and hence it can be behave similar to a group 17 halogen family member. Group 17 is also called halogen family. Because it is a special case, we shall place hydrogen separately at the top of the periodic table as shown in figure 3.2 and 3.3 of this PDF. We will briefly discuss the silent feature of our four types of element marked in the periodic table. The more about these elements we will discuss later during the description of their features, certain terminology and their meaning we should know before this. So it is clear from the periodic table that the properties of an element have the periodic dependence upon its atomic number and not on relative atomic mass. So see the heading 3.6 electronic configuration and types of element. They are broadly classified into S, P, D and F blocks, and this classification is depend on the last electron, valency shell electron, which goes in a particular orbital. If it goes in S, then it is called S block, and if the last electron goes in p orbital, then it is called p block element, and if last electron goes in d orbital, then it is called d block element, and if last electron goes in f block, then it is called fundamental block or f block element. The above principle and the electronic configuration of atom provide a strong foundation for modern periodic table. For this, now first of all we will see the s block element. The s block element, the element of group 1, which is also called alkali metal. ग्रुप 1 के एलिमेंट जिन्हें एल्कली मेटल भी कहा जाता है, हमने टेबल में देखा था, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम. As you can see in the table, lithium, sodium, Li means lithium, Na means sodium, K means potassium, Rb means rubidium, Cs means cesium, and Fr means francium. And group 2 element, which is also called alkaline earth metal, which have a ns1 and ns2 electronic configuration respectively. As you can see in this slide, s block element में ग्रुप 1 और ग्रुप 2 सबसे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे दिए हैं, स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं आप. इसमें लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम ग्रुप 1 में आते हैं और ग्रुप 2 में आते हैं बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रॉन्सियम, बेरियम, रेडियम. So you should also remember the element group wise. I've already told you short tricks to remember group. For group 1 you can remember लीना की रब से फरियाद, and for group 2 you can remember बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए, or you can create your own shortcut to remember this. And you can see hydrogen is given separately above the D block. And in between D block is given to you. साइंस टीचर बनना कृपलानी मन फेंको नहीं कौन जाने, इसका फुल फॉर्म है साइंस. SC मीन्स scandium, Ti means titanium, V means vanadium in D block, Cr means chromium, Mn means magnesium, Fe means iron, Fe, Co means cobalt, Ni means nickel, Cu means copper, and Zn means zinc. So this is called 3D series. So there are 4D series: 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D. In P block, they are group 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, and 18. So in 2P series, there are boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So if you want to remember this group 13, bhindi, aloo gobi, and thela. And group 14, काशी गए संत प्रभु, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब भिखारी, और नाना पापा आंटी सब बीमार. ग्रुप 16, उससे टीपो. ग्रुप 17, फिर कल बाहर आया ऑटो. एंड ग्रुप 18, हिना ने आर करके 0 रन. And at last, F block element are given to you. So there are only 2 series, 4F and 5F. And color coding is also illustrated in figure 3.3. So this is very important classification of element and periodicity in their property, and they are broadly classified into S block, P block, D block, and F block.